Arizona, everybody loves to eat out on the patio, but when you are a business owner, sometimes that could be a challenge because nobody wants to sit in the sun. I know we love the sun, but nobody really wants to sit in it. So what do? You get shade. When you call this guy, this is Robert Mulvin. He is the owner of All Pro Shade Concepts. And once again, Robert, you killed it. This business was in desperate need of some shade. So let's talk about what they did here. They just added on this huge patio.
Yeah, they added the patio, but it faces east and south and huge openings. It was gonna be cooked.
Yeah.
So we had to put some shades. They had to be motorized. They had to be super custom. We took care of it. Our guys killed it on this one. I love it.
Yeah, super great job. Okay, so let's take a look at this space because they, like I said, they added this on, so that increased their occupancy by, gosh, double, they said. I mean, now they can serve up to 500 people here, but here's the cool thing about it, Robert. Like right now, the weather's beautiful.
Yeah.
But nobody still wants to be in the sun. But when it's super hot outside, they can lower the shades because they have automated misters.
Yeah, they prepared. They knew what was going on. They had another location in Tempe we did, but they did this right the first time. They have misters. We drop the shades. It keeps the cool in, keeps the mist in.
Yep. And
the
then
patron's happy.
In the wintertime then, because they also have the infrared heaters, so it
keeps the heat in, and these shades shield the cold. So we have many different fabrics, a bunch of different colors, but densities. They chose a 97%, which is great. You can still see out, but it shields almost all of that heat and the cold in the winter.
You know what, that's a really good point because when you sit on the patio for a reason because you want to enjoy the beautiful outdoors. So the fact that you can still see outside is super important.
Yeah,
I love that.
We have all the different fabrics that can take care of anything you need.
So you often see, Robert, and we talk about homes and all the beautiful homes that you do and provide shade for, but you do this for businesses. We were out at another location where you installed the automated awnings. So business owners have choices.
Yeah, so if you don't have much overhang or any at all, like they didn't, we can provide that with a retractable awning. Move it in when the sun's out or when the sun goes away and you don't need it, but you can put it out. It's drop shades, retractable awnings,
and
businesses.
But that particular awning, that was a bit of a challenge for you because it had to be super custom.
Everything was at an angle, It was super custom, but we got it done. I mean, we can figure it out, and we will figure it out based on what the customer needs. Businesses need awnings.
You know what I was just remembering too? Remember when we were at the golf course?
Oh yeah.
That was another custom project, right?
That was
because they had counters at one end and they wanted some to go all the way to the ground.
We had to add a post, we had to cut out their tracks.
Yeah.
So yeah, we can make it custom. We have products from manual open roll all the way to steel track motor. So I mean, we can go big or small.
But this is really the key here, Robert, right? Because this right here is the remote, and this is a 16 channel. So that's
16 channel digital. So if you have multiple shades, like they only come with 5 channel remotes, we can get a 16 channel.
Okay.
So you have 6 to 16, one button, all of them go down at the same time.
See, now that's impressive to your clientele, right? And also, what you can do is, just like with the homes, you can take pictures of your business, go to your website, pick out your shades, but you'll also send somebody out to do all the measuring
100%,
and everything, right?
Yeah, we have techs in all different areas based on the product you need. They'll come out, they're all super seasoned. They know everything there is to know about our product and what they can do to help guide you along.
And how they can make it work.
Yeah.
Right? Because every project's different.
Everyone.
It's almost like they're all custom in a way,
100%,
right? All right. Okay, thank you, Robert. Here's a special offer. Whether you're a homeowner or business owner, you can get free estimates and free installation. You can visit the showroom by appointment only. All Pro Shade Concepts, 602-833-1522, or visit the website, allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects, be sure and follow All Pro Shade Concepts and other businesses that can help you out. Find our list of Home Pro experts at abc15.com/homepros.